Find the square of minus 3. Solution. We have minus 3 square. Minus 3 square. How do you find the square of this? You will express this as what? Minus 3 times minus 3. And now, from our rules of multiplication of two integers, minus times minus, what do we have? That's plus. So this is plus. And 3 times 3, what do we have? That is what? 9. So this is same thing as 9. So that is the answer to this problem. Also, please take note of this. Note also, minus 3 square is not the same as what? It's not the same as minus 3 square. Please take note. It's not the same as this. Because the answer to this one at the right is what? This is minus 3 times 3. That's the meaning. Because you're only squaring 3 here. The 2 is not affecting the minus. So this one is minus 9. That's the answer to minus 3 square. But this one, the 2 is affecting both the number and the minus. So that is why it is positive. So take note of that. So that is the solution to the problem.